recently launched the most premium smartphone Xperia Z2. This has got a very premium finish basically. The premium glass finish on front and back that you can see. The front and the back glass is premium finish with one piece aluminium frame. This is very premium device where there is no plastic at all, and it gives you a 5.2-inch screen with very sleek, slim and premium finish. This is extremely durable with highest level of waterproof certification. It is certified with IP58. That means this phone is waterproof and you can basically take underwater photography as well. Xperia Z2 has got a very powerful battery backup. It has got 3200 mAh power battery with a stamina mode which can kill battery eating application and give you 4 times better battery backup in standby time. Let's talk about the display of Xperia Z2. Xperia Z2 has got a the world's most vivid display. It has got the triluminous display with live color LED which can give you the best color output on the screen, as well as it also has got a IPS panel which will give you the widest viewing angle. Let's see how good it looks on the display when it comes with the triluminous technology. I have some pictures to show where you can see there are some beautiful colors with the help of triluminous technology and live color LED. You can see beautiful colors here, the beautiful red color, and the colors and details are well intact even when it is zoomed. Let me show you some beautiful more colors. The beautiful red, it looks very fresh and real color feel. It gives you a real color feel. You can see again the blue and yellow combination. There are so beautiful colors that you can see on the screen of Xperia Z2. So other than Xperia Z2, which is powered with triluminous display, we also have X Reality Picture Engine, which can basically refine more resolution and detailing on the screen. Let me show you a picture which will give you an example of more detailing on the screen. So even after a pinch zoom, you will see the detailing part is more intact and accurate even after a pinch zoom. Even you can see fine detailing and sharp resolution on the screen with the help of X Reality Picture Engine on the screen. Okay, this phone is 4K capable basically, so it can capture 4K videos with this 20.7 megapixel camera. It can record videos, it can basically play 4K videos, as well as you can give a 4K output. So this is a 4K enabled phone, and the very beautiful technology that we have is the best camera in this phone. We have three major technologies, that is 20.7 megapixel camera, Exmor RS sensor for low light imaging, and Sony G lens, which is an award-winning technology. With the help of this, we can create beautiful creativity and pictures. There are some beautiful applications which will complement the camera. For instance, there is a 4K video recording. There is a time shift burst feature where you can basically create dramatic videos and capture some beautiful moments. Let me show you this example with help of a video that I already have captured using the time shift. I can capture a video and create some slow motion dramatic videos. Let me show you this video which will help you to understand how you can create beautiful examples with time shift burst. So this skateboard is rolling, and that is visible because of the slow motion, and that can be created using this feature. And there are so many beautiful features that you can use in this camera. There are some beautiful funny moments that you can create, fun element that we have in camera. There is an option called as Superior Eye Auto. There is an option called as AR effect where you can create some beautiful fun effects. Let me show you some fun effects. So now let me add some fun element here. Here you can see there are some augmented imaginary effects that are added. The effects, you can turn on the effects. There are more such options. It is changing, that you can see. So there are some more augmented reality and imaginary objects that you can add to your photography with the help of AR effects. This phone also has got a steady shot function where you can take videos without any stable videos, basically when you are in motion. So whenever you are traveling, you can capture some beautiful stable videos using the camera of Xperia Z2. Let me show you some more beautiful features. This phone is powered with Walkman music player. and it has got powerful loud stereo speakers. There are two speakers which can create loud and quality music with the Walkman application. Xperia Z2 also has got some beautiful connectivity features, like Xperia has got NFC option, the near field connection. Through with one touch connect, you can connect it to some beautiful audio devices and share your music on the product which are enabled with NFC. Apart from that, this phone is also powered with some powerful application. There are some powerful application. Sony Music. This application basically, it is a music library which has got 15 lakhs track which are regional and Hollywood as well as Bollywood music. You can access 15 lakhs track free of cost on Xperia Z2. You just need to log on to Sony Music and you can stream this music for 6 months. Other than Sony Music, we also have Sony Live application, which is a catch-up TV application in which you can access 4,500 episodes from Sony TV and Sub TV. So no need to miss your TV series, you can catch up using this application. There is one more application added here called as Xperia Lounge, through which you can access basically, or we are going to show our offers to our customer. Xperia Privilege Movies, where you can download movies for a period of time. 6 movies can be downloaded Hollywood, and IG Games, where you will have some high definition gaming experience altogether. Okay, this is powered with a powerful processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon, clocked at 2.3 GHz. So it's a quad-core processor, 2.3 GHz with 3 GB RAM, and it has got 16 GB internal storage, which is expandable to 128 GB. So you will have an ultimate experience with this powerful device, and the battery is 3200 mAh.